What's the meaning of cost? Cost. Cost.
Cost. Cost. The term cost refers to the amount of resources, such as time, money, and effort, required to produce or obtain something. It is a measure of the expenses incurred in achieving a particular objective. Cost can be direct or indirect, fixed or variable, and explicit or implicit. The concept of cost is crucial in decision-making, as understanding the cost of an action or investment helps individuals and organizations make informed choices and allocate resources efficiently. Ultimately, the goal of managing cost is to maximize value while minimizing expenses.